Are you ready to unlock the future entrepreneurship? Imagine starting a thriving business with the power of artificial intelligence at your fingertips. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI kickstart in your entrepreneurial journey and stand out in the crowded marketplace. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, you won't want to miss these game-changing tips. Let's dive in. Identifying opportunities with AI. First thing first, how do you know what business to start? This is where AI can give you an edge. Utilize tools like Google Trends and Market Search AI to identify trending niches and consumer demands in real time. These insights can guide you in selecting profitable market space with less competitions. Automating your business process. Once you have your business idea, you will want to enhance efficiency. AI can automate your process in remarkable ways. Use platforms like Zapier or AI-driven chatbots that handle customers' inquiries, manage appointments, and process sales, giving you more time to manage and grow your business. Enhancing customer experience with AI. Next, let's enhance the customer experience. AI can analyze your behavior and preferences to tailor interactions. Tools integrated into platforms like Shopify allow you to create a personalized shopping experiences, lead to higher satisfaction and encouraging sales. Marketing with AI. Now let's address marketing. Utilize AI-driven tools like Ad Espresso or Hotsuite to optimize your marketing campaigns through real-time data analysis. This ensures that your targeting is better, your engagement is higher, and ultimately, your sales will increase. So, there you have it, how to leverage AI to start successful business, from identifying market opportunity to automatic processes, enhancing customers' experiences, and refining your marketing strategies. The path to success is clear for entrepreneurs. Or embrace AI. Now, what business idea do you like? What business idea do you have in mind? Drop it in the comments below and let's brainstorm how AI can help bring to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow, and hit subscribe button, notification bell for more amazing content. Together, let's revolutionize the way we do business.